In this video, I'm going to show you how to see old chats on Instagram without scrolling. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Instagram on your device and make sure that you're signed in into your account. Once you're signed in into your account, what you'll need to do is to go ahead and click on the message icon at the top right corner of your screen to be able to head over to your Instagram account's inbox. Now, on your inbox, you'll be able to find a search field. Make use of the search field to search for that specific user that you want to view your chat with. After that, you'll be able to view your old chat with that specific individual on your device. This is the only method for you to be able to view old chats without scrolling down the long list of chats that you have on your Instagram account. Since currently the search conversation feature is not yet available on Instagram and there is no filter button that you can use to filter your messages on your Instagram Messenger. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.